生まれた時が始まりのゲーム、シナリオ無視で構わないウェイ、3人同時プレイなら負けない。始まりの鐘、序盤戦つまずいたんじゃねえ、ゲージを貯めて待ってんだぜ。近づいて捕まえて振り回す、全員磨き続けてきた奥の手、踊り明かそうが朝まで。おっとっともう限界、まだまだこれから、もっと声を聞かせてくれ、僕らの名前を呼んでくれ。OOKY宿題終わった、めんどくさいのは残した、少し眠いけど寝る気はない。この前ミスった、順番違った、あれこれ悩む自問自答。電源入った、誇りは払った、入力端子切り替えた。息を整え、頭の整理は終わって、西日さえぎってさスタート。今日こそ試すないの手段、得意が押したやつが被弾。不幸の神は押し付けてバイバイ、裏技ありの人生ゲーム、魂をかける。あるかい、なくしたものを取り戻したい。たまには切れてもいいんじゃない、リセットボタンでもいいかい。スタートあんまり得意じゃない、いきなり離されてる展開。あいつの背中は見えてこない、だけど心は負けと認めてない。だけど無茶した、黄色から赤、死んでしまうとは情けない。でどんだけ上から目線、戦いもしないやつがじっとこっちを見てるだけ。やり直すのはとても簡単、レベルは上がったいざいかん。牙を向くやつは切り捨てて成敗、裏の世界も突き進んでゆく。旅立ちの笛は聞こえたかい、歩んだ道は間違いじゃない。君の好きな武器で行けばいい、タイミング合わせてもう一発、何も気にせず飛び込めばいい。やられたら一度下がればいい、ここで回復していけばいい。そのままで終われるはずがない。ララララララララララララララ。
I turned on my mic. I turned on my mic. It won't be long. Oh, my vocabularies. Okay, that's good, that's good. Who's best? Who's best? Who did best? Oh, God damn it, it's not me. What? Close that. Oh, hell no. No way, no way. What kind of place are you? Hey, shut up. Let me see the camera. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't like that. No. Yeah, thank you. You can't close the door. Okay, good. What the? Who opened that? Whatever. Oh, okay. Is this guy good? I think he is. Is he good? Okay. Let me see. Okay, he's alright. Okay, he's alright. It's good, I guess. This is already 8 minutes long. Oh my god, I should shut up. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. I just saw the freaking song. I'm gonna zit, bro. That's alright. Oh, bro needs surgery. My brother needs surgery. You're not normally, right? Please tell me. Please. I'm scared, dude. I'm literally so scared. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm scared. Scissors? Cut it out. That's on you. Let me just shut up now. Okay, let me just shut up. carry that body, dude. I want to carry that body. Why did you close it for? Is it safe? Is he safe? Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Oh no way, no way, no way. Sure. You asked for it. Oh yes, please close it! Please close it! Please. I sound. My voice is a freaking cat. What the? Okay, that's it. I sound terrible. Let me just shut up. Okay, let me just shut up. I don't care what you say. I'm so sad. No, my friends, the rest of the players already left the game or disconnected. But like, come on, bro, you're already disconnected. Now you're just. Why? You're the worst. You are the worst. Go f yourself. Like I'm. Oh my god, I'm stuttering so much. What? Yeah, that's it. Bye. And that is it, everyone. I played Animal Hospital for the very first time. Actually, I played this for a different time before, but that doesn't count, right?
Tell me that doesn't count.
So maybe I'll make a part 2 playing this again, because this was a really busted of characters playing. I mean, players leaving the server, stuff like that. Maybe next time I'll play with my friends when I actually don't forget. But that's all. See you next time.